All right, welcome back. Today I've got Deadshot Jess, Skull Trooper Jonesy, and Carbide. And for the record, I should probably tell you I am at max level 125. Here are my current stats. Today we're going to take a look at a max level Super Shredder with damage. Well, reload's not maxed, but that's not overly important for what I want to demonstrate today. Nature, damage to mist monsters, and I really like headshot explosions. So let's, oh wait, need to show you the, wrong weapon, my bad. There we go. Supposed to be 63,000 damage, 157 headshot, and here are the rest of the stats. So let's take a look and see what this thing does. And just so you know, a lot of times I try to take my time, make sure I get a headshot so I can get an accurate read on the numbers and the stats. This one doesn't have affliction. Oh, I missed. Slight lag, not sure why. And one of the other things that I do is I will slow this down frame by frame to kind of get to read the scores, and then I'll post those off to the right side. And if there's a question mark in the number, it's simply because I couldn't see it. Either the hero blocked it, the gun blocked it, and no matter how much I slow it down frame by frame and advance it forward and backward, sometimes the numbers are just cut off and there's nothing I can do about it. So if you see a number with a question mark in it, I'm trying to be as honest and accurate as I can. One of the other things I have to confess is I can walk and chew bubblegum at the same time, but I cannot talk and play Fortnite at the same time. So a lot of times if I'm quiet, that's what I'm doing. And if I'm not the most entertaining person, then that's the way it is. I don't think people tune in to hear me if I'm entertaining or not. Really what you want to do is take a look at the stats on this gun and see if it's something you want to use, if it's worth leveling up or not. And I'm trying to show you what it does against all various elements of enemies. Okay, I better take care of him first. And sometimes I do like to miss the headshots on purpose because I want to get body shots and see what that does to make sure that it's kind of consistent with what the stats say. But to be honest, there's a lot of times I miss just because I'm not too good at headshots. Alright, we got a good array of enemies here. By the way, well, let's just see how this works out. You must die. Thank you. Bet that's a mimic. Yep. Oh, I shouldn't have punched her. That was force of habit. Alright, come here. I need to give you a shotgun blast to the face. Boom. There we go. I think there's one more. Oh good, got some fire enemies down here. Alright, come get some. I've Missed. Ooh, terrible. And this is my favorite place to shoot them because it's like shooting fish in a barrel. They just stay all nice and still for you. And it's actually, because I'm elevated a little bit, it makes it easier for me to read the numbers on this. Oh, what have we here? Came in too soon. Oh well. Ooh, you schematic cache. You know that's going to be good. All right, I think I'm going to pause this, look for a smasher. If I don't see one, hopefully I can get one again. I love this. Never knew what hit him.